Hello everyone, welcome back to this week video changelog. I'm still in our Milan office, and this week we have released a lot of very interesting features, but actually I'm not going to talk about them in this video because we have released something that we have been working on for the last 3, maybe 4 months, and I'm so excited about this new feature that today I want to spend all this video changelog talking about it. And this feature is an amazing PDF report builder. I don't know about you, but most of the users I talk with, they are complaining, but they are spending hours and hours of work every single week, sometimes every single day, building reports for their customers, for their boss. Everyone has someone to report to. And this is a task which is extremely time consuming and yet very boring. People would prefer to focus on something more creative, on thinking about new campaign, on optimizing their marketing funnel, not building some PDF report that very often doesn't even look that professional and take up so much time. So we are releasing today the first beta version of our PDF report builder, and it's amazing. In few clicks, it will let you create amazing PDF report that you can reuse, and you can also set up automatic delivery so that every Monday they are delivered directly to your customer with your own branding, with your own logo, and everything will be constantly updated with the latest metric. And best of all, everything is customizable. It's up to you to decide what you want in each page, which metrics you want to show to each customer, and so on. So let's not wait any further time. Let's jump in AdEspresso and let me show you how to use this amazing new feature which is already available to all of you, both trial and paying customer. So let's go. Alright, to access this new feature you just have to go under Tools and you will find Report Generator. In the first page you will find all the reports that you have already configured. You can edit them, you can clone them, you can download them. But let's start a brand new report. Let's give it a name. Test Max is fine. Next, we can choose what we want to report on. So we can select specific campaigns. We could create a report on all the advertising campaigns that we have with a specific tag. Or finally, which is my favorite, we can create a report on a whole ad account. So if you have an ad account for each customer, that's perfect. You can just select the ad account here. Next, time range. You can select whatever you want. We have some predefined option, but you can also select your custom time range. And finally, themes. This is a feature that will only be available to higher subscription level, but still it's very handy because here you can customize your report with your own colors. We can make it, this is not a nice green, this is a bit better, with your own colors. You can pick font, you can select header and text, you can upload your brand to appear in the header and so on. And then you can save this theme and you can reuse it for the following reports. Next, we have selected that we want to build a report on multiple campaigns, on the whole ad account. So here we have 2 options. The first part that will appear on top of your PDF is an aggregated data. So here, whatever you put here will contain the data, aggregated data of all the advertising campaigns that you have selected. Then we will have a specific report for each advertising campaign selected, and you can specify for each one which modules you want. So let's start. Let's add the first module. You have a lot of options and we are adding new ones every week. So we can create a data table. We could put a column chart, a line chart, a pie chart. We can insert a page break if we want to start a new page. And we can also add free text. So if you want, here you can insert some introduction like, dear customer, here's your monthly report. And we can make it even a bit longer. Maybe you want to tell them some recommendation or whatever you want. All right, so let's start with this. Next, we can add a nice line chart. Detail level, here, this is aggregated data, so I want a line chart with a split per day, and then we can add metrics. So I want to show them the CPC for each day, the click-through rate, And that's probably it for this first report. So let's add it. Okay. Now we want to show them how every campaign is performing. So I can insert here an aggregation on a campaign level, and then here I want to insert maybe some more data. So I want to show them how much they spent, how many clicks they generated, what was the CPC, and the reach. And you can also add, of course, conversion-based data. So you can just pick which conversion you want to use and then insert the number of events generated, the conversion rate, and the cost per conversion. So that's added here. All right. So this is my graph, my table. And now I want to show a couple of breakdowns. So let's say that I want to show an age breakdown. So I want to show my customer how much we have spent for each age range. All right. This is a bit big, so I can click here, make it shorter, and then I can add another module. Let's do another pie chart. And this time, let's say that, okay, we still want to show them the spent, but in terms of breakdown, we want to show them the age. Not the age, I already did that, sorry, the gender. Again, let's make it smaller, and there we go. Here's our report. Then we can do the same for each campaign that we are going to display. So we can add a line chart with the breakdown for that specific campaign. Here we want to show click-through rate and CPC. That's fine. I can also insert the title for this model here. So this could be CTR and CPC trends. All right, and just below this, our customers are pretty picky. They want a lot of information. So we also want to add an asset level reporting. And again, we can add all the metrics that we want. And let's add it. For each model, you can make it smaller and you can put another box next to it. You can quickly drag and drop if you want to reorder them, and you can also open them if you want to change the metrics. And we are adding a lot of new widgets for your reports every single week. The next one that is coming next week is Ads Preview. So inside your PDF report, you'll be able to show your customers the preview of all the ads for each campaign that you are reporting on. So we have done some basic configuration. Let's move to next. This is a basic preview, how our report will look like. And you can see this is the aggregated where I'm showing all the campaigns that I'm running, my overall breakdown for age and gender. Here, remember for this module, I put the title, so it's appearing. Here, my CTR and CPC trends, and here, my ad set. And this goes on for each campaign that I've selected in this report. So let's click next. And finally, we have two options. We can download the PDF, and we can download it either immediately, or we will receive, if it's taking longer than necessary, we will receive an email with a link to download, or we can configure delivery. So we can say, hey, I want massimo@customer.com to receive this report weekly. The email subject is Massimo, here's your report. And here I can customize the email message. And once I have, I can click here, start delivery after save. And once I've done this, you have to forget about reporting. We'll take care of everything. And every week we will send Massimo@customer.com his brand new report. So what do you think about this new feature? I'm really in love. This took us so much time, but I think it was totally worth it. I think we are making a huge first release of this feature. And as I said, we have a full team dedicated to our new reporting, and we are going to release improvements every single week. So please go ahead, try it now and drop me a line, massimo@adespresso.com, or you can contact our amazing customer support. Let us know what else do you need, what do you like to build report on, what kind of data visualization do you need, what breakdown did we forget, but let us know how we can make it better, because we know how important a great reporting is for every advertiser, and we want to make your life much easier with this new feature. So that's all for this week. Now, right after the video changelog, I'm also attaching a nice video presentation of this feature that we have released. You all know our mascot. We brought it to life, and it's pretty nice. So let's check it out as well. And have a great week. Thank you. Ciao, ciao.